Hello. Today I wanted to share a project that's been my focus for the past couple of weeks. With the growing excitement around ChatGPT, my curiosity led me to delve into creating a self-contained, completely local GPT system capable of image generation, image analysis, object detection, and voice cloning. First off, I'm no expert in this area, and second, I'd like to extend my gratitude to Sentdex. I've been subscribed to his YouTube channel for years, and he's got some excellent machine learning content, and one of his videos sparked the inspiration for this endeavor. So let's check it out. Here we have a very basic user interface that's just HTML and JavaScript loaded via the browser. At the top is the chat box and a drop-down selection box that changes the type of response you get. It's intriguing to me to observe how different prompts influence the AI's behaviors. So I can do normal things in chit chat like, ask, how are you doing? Get a typical response. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Um, and I'll say, I'm doing good. Uh, got any plans for the day? Right, typical chit chat, but I also have an intent recognition model loaded, and currently I've only got it configured to recognize like weather queries, weather intent. So here I'll say, can you check the weather forecast, right? And it's gonna recognize that intent and then make a API call to open weathermap.org. Um, the interesting thing here is I'm not parsing the JSON response from the API. Instead, I'm directly feeding it to the LLM and instructing it to interpret and convey the weather details. So here you can see the temperatures, it's the humidity levels, things like that. Um, Also, one other thing we can do is code generation, which I find fascinating. So write an example for loop in Python and output the code. And here we'll get a little snippet, a code snippet of a for loop, um, and its output and maybe a little description of what it's doing as well. Um, But next up we've got the image generator. So here on the left-hand side, I can say, imagine a cyberpunk cityscape by the ocean. Alrighty, takes a few seconds to generate, and we'll have an image down here at the bottom. So, and let's try another one. Let's see, photo of a dog running on a beach. There we go. Interesting looking dog. And then we have the image analyzers up next. So here I've got, you can meet our cat Nug. He is a rather large, somewhat grumpy, diabetic orange cat. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for exposing Nug's HIPAA data. But anyway, I'll use his image to demonstrate the analysis model. Here as the image is uploaded, we'll get a response back just describing what the image is. And here we got a large orange cat curled up, sleeping. Pretty good description. All right, and then object detector, we'll again use Nug to see what it detects. This is quite fast usually. So we've got a cat. We've got the coordinates that we'll be able to draw a box around to show where the cat is located in the picture. Same with the bed here. And then next is the voice cloning. So here I've got some text ready to go. We'll do David Attenborough's voice, synthesize. This will take a few seconds, but as far as the resources, the majority of the models for this project was sourced from Hugging Face. Here we've got models, and you can see on the left-hand side, you've got all types of different use cases and models that you can use, like computer vision, NLP, reinforcement learning, things like that. Um, and it's all open source. And the only exception to that is this voice cloning. I used Tortoise TTS, and here it's finished. We'll go ahead and play the audio.
Hello, Dan August. A most warm welcome to you. In the grand narrative of life, each individual plays a vital role, and your part in this story is as unique as the call of a songbird in the dawn chorus.
Thank you, David. So anyway, that's a quick demo of what I've been working on. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, let me know. But again, I'm no expert, just been messing around with this. Anyway, have a good day.